You can score with 0.8 of a second.
But I think that is the human element there.
Yeah, but you know, you can. The NBA does a very good job at that, and the referees are very good at that.
Parang siya parang rocket ship, ano? In the meantime, here we go down the middle and a dish to Standhardinger.
Maganda passing ng interior passing ng Barangay Ginebra. They penetrate, and kudos to them, no, for the fight back that they have shown. It happens, you know. It happens.
Standhardinger trying to make a decision here.
There's him.
Oh, good throw.
You have to be very wary of him. When he sets that high pick, he's diving or to the basket, you know. He was from TNT, and he won a championship with TNT in 2012, I think.
Pringle. No, Standhardinger cleans it up. And I think that's just in time. Although a review is forthcoming. Let's watch this. Yes, it is already considered a basket, and it's at 37-32. This shot, no.
And again, Scott, there is Standhardinger.
Who checks the inside, nobody to pass it to. Here comes the roll by Standhardinger, no chance for a pass. Brownlee, three, bounces on the back iron, step in, will go.
He just gets himself into good position. Only a minute left here in the first half.
Scotty asking for it. Brownlee providing the cover. They don't force it. Standhardinger parts up the inside and gets it to bite.
That's his strong side. You let him go to the right, you know.
First quarter pa lang, 50% na sila sa tres. In the meantime, here comes Pinto. Good ball fake. Nice drop to Standhardinger. Scotty along the left flank. Scotty drops it to the corner. Pinto fires. No, short. Standhardinger. And Ginebra has now come within three. As you take this second look of this missed attempt and the follow-up, I see Stan bulldozing his way through that particular lane. Timeout tayo, hatid ng Honda, ang official motorcycle ng PBA. Standhardinger curling, McDaniel switching over. Defense crumbled there.
He's too small. You know, he's not willing to give up any fouls, you know, put his body on the line there. Look at this. Yes, sabi ni Standhardinger, thank you. Not challenging me.
Scotty inside to Standhardinger, off to Pringle. What a great feed. No, the follow-up, no, the follow-up, no, the rebound, yes. Ahead to Standhardinger. He will take care of business. And Meralco now just up by 2.
He faked off Standhardinger with that. Look at this follow-up there, a miss. And all of a sudden, because he didn't come down on defense, got a layup here.
Leak down.
Yeah.
6 and 15 to play. Final quarter. There's a cut by Scotty. There's a foul. And a basket. The lead goes back to Ginebra.
And there's where the saying goes, when you're good, but when you're lucky, you're better. I mean,
your luck is good.
Yeah, he threw that ball up when he got that guy jumping up in the air.
Brownlee, jab stepping against Hodge, lobs it high to Standhardinger. McDaniel's trying to stand his ground, but to no avail. Ginebra back in the lead.
They just don't have the player to guard Standhardinger.
Shot clock at 7. Brownlee nudged. The shot, no. The follow-up, yes. Standhardinger makes it a 6-point lead for Ginebra at the home stretch.
They just seem to have almost Meralco's number when it comes to the
end
quarter.
The end game, no?
Yeah.